Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the one thing that actually increases loudness, a powered external output. Plug a certified Lightning to DAC adapter or USB-C audio interface into your iPhone, then connect that interface to a powered speaker or headphone amp. Once connected, make sure Bluetooth is off so the phone routes audio over the wired interface. This is the first actionable step because the iPhone's internal speakers can't be made much louder. A powered external device supplies the extra amplitude you need. Once the physical connection is live, configure iPhone audio for maximum output. Go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, then Headphone Safety, turn off Reduce Loud Sounds to allow full output. Next, in Music Settings, disable Sound Check and choose the EQ preset Late Night to compress dynamics and raise perceived loudness. Make sure the iPhone volume is at or near max, then use the external amp or speaker's volume knob for safe, final adjustments. These steps optimize the signal the amplifier receives. To finish, play a familiar dynamic test track and slowly raise the external amp's gain until you reach the desired loudness without distortion. Make sure the amp is powered and its input source matches the adapter output. If loudness is still weak, check that the adapter is MFI certified, inspect cables, update iOS, and restart the phone. Simple fixes often solve signal routing issues. If problems persist, test another app or swap the cable before assuming hardware failure. That usually pinpoints the fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.